Good afternoon, dear students. As we are studying our second unit, sports, we are going to learn the poem about the swimmer. As we are learning, the key concept of this sports is the winning point, especially come to the when we call winner, there are a lot of things to get that name. So as we learn each and every lesson about one person, today the winning point of the swimmer, how it is hard and what are the things they have to do, that's what we are going to see from this poem, The Swimmer. So here the swimmer is a girl swimmer. We are going to read the lines and I will be explaining to you. The swimmer. She stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her, one can only wish. She swims with perfect flight, her strokes like dancing light. She breathes air and rips across the water with flair. So she stands still and tall. If you see the competitions of swimming, you can see that there will be a like running race. There will be a track for each one of the swimmer. There will be a track. They will be standing very higher. They will be standing in the higher point. Then when the whistle sound they hear, they will be diving into the water. So they are standing still and tall. They will be looking like they are standing in higher. So when we as we if we are audience, if we are sitting in the chair and look at them, they will be looking like higher they will be standing. So she seems greater than all. So more than us, she will be greater than everyone, because they are ready to get into the swim. So they will be greater in that particular race, swimming competition. So she dives like the fish. So when she hears the whistle sound, she will be diving like a fish. To be like her, one can only wish. So just we can see that like a fish she will be diving into the water. It's not easy actually. If normally the audience or the people, those who don't know the swimming, if that person is standing in that starting point, if she or he is diving, really it will be dangerous because they don't know the trick. So here she dives like a fish. Fish means fish always living in the water. Fish knows every each and everything about the water and the life living everything, but the person human being we don't know. But the swimmer, because that kind of practices makes them to dive in a such a way that the fish dive into the water. So to be like her, one can only wish. Only we can wish, but we cannot dive into the water like she dives like a fish, because we don't have any practice, or we don't know anything about that. She swims with perfect flight, her strokes like dancing light. She swims with perfect flight means, she when she started to swim, she knows how to swim. It's like a in order, it will not collapse, or it will not uh, go to the wrong way. So like flight, how it is target, and it is flying in the air. Likewise, the swimmer will be having the perfect uh, target or the way to swim. Her strokes like dancing light. So here strokes means they will be pushing the water, behind, and they will be moving forward. So that strokes. So they will be like when um, they will push the water behind. When they will move forward, it will look like dancing light. When means like light is dancing such a way that water will flow from their hands. She breathes air and rips across the water with flair. So it's very hard when they will push the water and move forward. It will be very hard. They will take lot of breath, and they will so with across the water, they have to move forward. So here flair means the talent to move forward. They will not come behind, rather they will be pushing the water and they will move forward. So that is that. Next thing is up head. Up ahead, the audience cheer. She knows that the finish line is near. She picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. So, up ahead, the audience cheer. So, when they will be swimming continuously and very hardly, they will be swimming. At that time, the audience can look at that person, how they are coming, moving forward, come they are how they are going to get target. So by seeing that, they will be cheering means they will be very happy and clapping, encouraging swimmers to uh, get into the target. So that kind of cheer they will be hearing. She knows that the finish line is near. So when continuously keep on swimming, she could understand that the target is near, because that much time, or it's very long time she is taking breath and stroking the water, and she is coming forward, moving forward, and she will be continuously swimming. Because of that, she knows. Then she picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. So she picks up her pace means very fastly. She knows that that target is near. At that moment, she wants to win. So because of that, in the last moment, the swimmers will be very fastly. She is swimming fast as she wants to win the race. Because she wants to win, she doesn't want to fail in the race. Then straining with all her might. Straining means taking lot of effort and strength she will be giving up to win that swimming race. Then she never gives up the fight. Even if she get tired, or even if she have some problem, she will not give up. Rather, she want to finish the fight means it's about the winning the race, swim race. Then as she reaches the wall, her name is winner they call. So when this much of effort she needed, it's not easy pushing the water behind. She have to learn all the tricks of the swimming, and she knows, or she has to practice so much. So lot of effort, at last she will be reaching the target. And all the referee or the umpire who is there, they will be calling out her name as a winner. So everybody will cheer up by calling her winner like that. So that kind of the winner word she wants to hear. For that, she need lot of efforts, hard work, practice, time, punctuality, lot of things needed to get into the target or to the winning moment. So that is what we learned from this poem. So remember, you also have to, if you have goal, you want to achieve something, this kind of effort, everything self discipline, everything we need to win the race. Thank you, children.